Hi guys, this is my database and this code is for script.js and this one for style. Ayan, sama. And ito naman sa register PHP. And logout PHP. And ito naman for index HTML. And this one for homepage PHP. And the last one, connect PHP. So this is the all codes for database. And punta kayo sa PHP admin. And nilagay nyo yung mga lahat ng kailangan. Then, ito naman yung result ng mga code na nilagay natin.